Materials, procedures, and analyses. These are the three key components in the methods section in a scientific research article. Let's examine these components by looking at excerpts from a fictional scientific research article about varroa mites in honeybee colonies. In the methods section, the writer starts by describing their materials, both the equipment that they used and the bee colonies that they examined. They write, "In this study, we tracked the efficacy of natural chemical treatments across 20 bee colonies in Guelph, Ontario. Our treatment types include essential oil, thyme, sucroside spray, oxalic acid trickling, and formic acid strips." The writer would then provide specific information about the field sites, the colonies, and the equipment used across the 4 different treatment types. Next, this writer would describe the treatment types that they carried out in this study. They divide their procedures into 4 sections, one for each of the 4 treatment types. When explaining their 4th treatment method, their application of formic acid strips, we might read the following sentence. "We applied Mite Away Quick Strips, 46.7% formic acid, to the brood chamber of 2 of the colonies and removed the strips after 7 days. Finally, this writer then describes the statistical analysis that they performed. They tell the reader, "We used R to calculate the mean reduction of mites for all treatments and compared results from treated colonies to our control colonies." When writing or revising your methods section, it can be helpful to write up your methods using the subheadings Materials, Procedures, and Analyses to guide your writing process and to make sure you include all essential information for each of these 3 key components.